So we already hooked the gauges up on the system. We're about to go ahead and turn it off and get started. Check that error code on the system. See what's going on. Do a maintenance. Doing maintenance on this maybe about 4-year-old system that we installed. Hyperion in the attic. Plastic cabinet tray with some new ductwork. Just check everything, make sure everything's still good and intact. We're in here getting this thing unbuttoned. About to take a look inside of this variable speed unit. Take a look, see if anything's going inside. We put it in, so more than likely nothing's growing inside, because everything's sized right. Like I said, we maintain it, so no mold. It's like 4 years in the attic. Nothing but water. Just finished flushing the drain, took all the panels off, checked the inside, sanitized the coil, the blower. So we're gonna put the fan on, check the safety switches, make sure all the safety switches are working good. Julio's just taping back up the Armorflex now, making sure it's good. It's a nice size attic. We won't have to lay on our stomach now. Julio doing a double check, making sure we don't leave no screws, nothing in the pan. Make sure our unit's not leaking, dripping any water. So we're gonna come back up, prime our drain, going outside to check our outside condenser now.